What's up, guys? It's Higgins with Legal Animations. I'm on a quest to try out every filament in every color. And on today's episode, we're taking a look at IEMAI's translucent PETG in blue/purple gradient. Apologize for the lack of unboxing, but lost that footage. Anyway, we already started by slicing up a benchy. As you know, we always start out by printing a benchy whenever we're doing a new one in generic PETG settings. Got that sliced up, should take an hour, and got those printed along with the other test prints. Anyway, as you can see here, the test print turned out well. Do love the gradual change of blue to purple that you see here on the generic benchy. Absolutely lovely color. This one was recommended to me by a viewer, so shout out to y'all. Anyway, this is the dimensional cube. This one's 40 by 40 by 40 millimeters cubed. Next up, we have the temp tower, and the temperature tower for this one, the temperature best one looks to be 245. Anyway, description or down and below, and I have all the things changed. Next up, we have the retraction test. This retraction test turned out very well. No stringing, nothing like that. Max volumetric speed test. This one turned out beautiful at 28 millimeters cubed per second. No real major issues with that. The overhang test, though, did fail a bit over as we got towards 70. So again, maybe want to dial back some of the overhangs for that and everything like that, just as a precaution, and add the auto supports. Next up, we got those things dialed in and reprinted the benchy. Again, absolutely looks amazing. No real major issues there. Anyway, at the time of filming this, you can get this one for less than 21 bucks over at Amazon. Like I said, comes in a beautiful color, gradient that is absolutely telling, and this will do very well on larger prints. Overall, my thoughts are, this one's pretty good. If you get the settings dialed in right and are able to handle it and do some larger prints of it, it'll really shine when it comes to the color change. Anyway, this has been IEMAI's translucent PETG in blue/purple gradient. If you like this type of content, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, do all the nice YouTube things. And I've been Higgins with Legal Automations. Be kind to each other, and I hope to see you at the next review. Thanks.